Everybody, I'm going to show you this 1992. It's a Winnebago Warrior. Winnebago. Now the guy that is camping in it, doesn't know anything about it, so I'm just going to show you because he's borrowing it. Okay, so he's staying in here with his 2 kids for the weekend. So it's being used and lived in, but I just wanted to show it to you. So it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of room. Really. That's just a cabinet door open there, but look how cute the bathroom is. And then it's like they must be using the campground bathroom for showers, but there's a shower. Very cute. So again, this is being borrowed, so he doesn't know anything to tell me about it, but I still wanted to share it with you. So it's a 1992 Winnebago Warrior. Little motorhome. Very cute. So I'm sure that this goes down into another bed. And then up here would be the cab up front. Very nice, actually. Very roomy. Alright, I'll put these some still shots in here. Give it a thumbs up.